Hey guys, Whitefish Wizard here.
The Whitefish Wizard.
It's January 13th. We're having a fish off right now. Kieran's cheating because he's using a slab grabber.
I'm just checking to see if there's any fish here first.
Yeah, just drawing them in, and then we're gonna hit them with the wingdings. Yeah, nice day. Not a whole lot of ice. Enough.
We'll be able to sight fish these bad boys. Avoid the little dinks. Catch the big jumbos. Plan.
Hopefully we get some action.
We'll try. I mean, we came out here so late because somebody wanted to sleep in till friggin' 11 o'clock in the morning.
It's shit to bed. It's like 8:30.
Friggin' Ninja was up at the crack of dawn saving lives.
Yeah.
Ugh. Oh, nice.
A little farty butt. They're amplified under the water. He looks like he was jacked, but really he's just a little prick.
I noticed that too.
Oh, you got her right in her mouth, this guy. Oh.
Freaking wingdings, man. These things are awesome.
$4 Walmart wingdings.
Yeah,
The big ones are all slacking though.
Yeah, big ones, or the little ones will bring it. Come on, I only want big ones. Get away from it, you guys. Oh, that one's a good one.
Yeah, that's what I thought about the one I just had. And then I pulled him up and he looked like a little dink.
This is why sight fishing is the best. Bro.
They like these wingdings.
No, they're pretty good.
Wingdings from Wally World. Best $4 you ever spent.
$4.97 plus tax.
Come on, there's a big fucking hog here and I want him.
He had it in his mouth.
No, that one took it. That's not the one I wanted.
Got him. Oh, he's not that jumbo. They look so much bigger underwater.
Well, fuck, these wingdings are holding on good.
We need to get them barbless.
Yeah.
More of a challenge for us. Freaking GoPro here, bud. You can't know Chinese made junk.
It was made in China. GoPro, fucking garbage! Oh my god, we missed it.
That was massive.
I know, man.
How big do you think that thing was?
That thing was like 3 feet long. I'm not even kidding.
That was easily one of the biggest pikes I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Freaking Mingding couldn't do that though. That thing would have bit right through our line though, I guarantee you.
Think so? Well, I guarantee you it's over fucking 8 pounds.
Oh, easy.
Would have just snapped our hook right off. Alright, so we're out in the hut here still. And
Wiener Lodge 2.0.
Wiener Lodge 2.0. The perch dried up. Next thing you know, friggin' pike here like the size of my Cummins. It's ridiculous. It was friggin' ridiculous, man. And it was staring right at the friggin' wingding. I couldn't get the camera fast enough. I was like in a frantic panic.
It left him and then came over to me. Started staring at my Mingding. Disappointed because he turned around and then swam away.
Yeah, so now we know why there's no perch here right now. Because there's a friggin'
Shark of a pike.
Shark of a pike. Like the thing was massive. He started swimming by the hole. And it was 5 minutes before I seen his tail. So hopefully the perch come back, or he comes back and we land him. But anyways, keep you updated. Nope, the perch are back. Oh, that one looks like a nice one.
A nice juicy one.
Yeah, I think he's gonna take it. He did. Here, take the camera. Oh, did he spit it out? He spit it out. Oh no, he didn't. A little fatty. Don't you prick me, you little fucker. I think that's the biggest one I caught today.
Eat them live.
Little dude. Oh, he's going back. They look so much bigger underwater. What the hell, man? What the hell? Come on, you almost had it in there. Oh, there's a bunch of jumbos. You got one?
No, I got a little one, but the jumbo was there looking great.
There's a bunch of jumbos on my side. We got a school just come in here now.
Oh, that one's huge.
Yeah. No, get away from it. The big guy wanted it. Come on. Take it, fatty.
Oh, that one is a big jumbo.
Yeah, there's some. Oh, there's big guys here now.
Right now.
But this stupid little one won't leave me alone. Frig off, you little guys.
Come on.
This one little guy is so horned up, eh?
All the little ones are.
Oh, he's not bad size. Oh.
Saw some big jumbos though.
So did I.
Really good ones. And they weren't even like remotely interested, eh?
No, it's the little guys. They're all horny.
Quick, eh?
Alright, guys. So, we caught a couple little perch, as you guys saw in the video. We saw friggin' behemoth friggin' pike come through here, scared everything off, died down for a little bit, and then the perch came back.
That's what we were using today, the old wingdings that we bought at Walmart.
I'm gonna show it again. The wingding.
In white. They seem to do pretty good.
The perch like them.
I liked them a lot.
But yeah, so we had some action today, but I wouldn't say we had any keeper perch, so we both lost this challenge.
Both a couple of losers.
We're both frickin' losers, man.
We're the winners of catching dink perch, that's about it.
Yeah. Little Vienna wiener perch. But anyways, that's it for today's video. It was good to get out on the ice, so there's not a whole lot of ice, so if you are out here,
4 inches of ice here, about
Yeah.
as big as my